my name is Maya and welcome to Vlogtober day number 10. Today I'm going to be making some fall inspired cookies. These are going to be white chocolate chip. Wait. I get the name mixed up every single time. Hold on. They're white chocolate pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. But really it's white chocolate pumpkin chai snickerdoodle. So I guess, but I'm just gonna say white chocolate pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. So I went ahead and printed off the recipe right here. I ended up having everything in my house so I don't have to go out to get anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch cameras to my big boy over there, and I'm gonna go ahead and start making the cookies. I'm so excited about these guys, and hopefully you guys will be able to make them yourselves at home. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands, lay everything out, talk to you about what we need. I'm gonna also pin this recipe onto the description box, that way you guys can make them at home for your families. And yeah, these are for my family too. Of course I'm gonna eat one. Like, hello, I might have to sleep, I can still dibble and dabble, okay? I'm good. I work out all the time. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and switch cameras and get started so you guys can see everything. Alright guys, so I went ahead and washed my hands, so we're all good here. Oh, let me turn this ring light on so maybe you'll be able to see me a little bit better. Yeah, okay. So first things first, it says, in a large bowl, we're going to beat together the melted butter, brown sugar, and ½ cup granulated sugar. In a large bowl, beat together the melted butter, brown sugar, and ½ cup of sugar together until no brown sugar lumps remain. Add in vanilla extract and pumpkin puree. Whisk until smooth and set aside. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and melt my butter, and then we will, and it's kind of been sitting out a little bit, so it's kind of softened a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and melt this. Our regular sugar, I mean 1 cup of this. 1 cup of the sugar. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're going to take our melted butter. Next, we're going to take our vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So this is ½ teaspoon, so I need to do 2 of these. 1, 2. Six tablespoons of the pumpkin puree. And we're just going to whisk this all together. And we're going to set this aside. So in another bowl, we're going to take the flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, well, in our case, cinnamon, and then pumpkin pie spice. ½ teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So instead of the 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg and 4 teaspoons of ground ginger, I'm just going to go ahead and use pumpkin pie spice since it has that in there. This is the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We are going to go ahead and mix these ingredients together. Okay, so the next step, it says to pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Mix together with a large spoon or a rubber spatula. The dough will be very soft. Fold in white chocolate chips. So before I do that, I need to go ahead and get my 3/4 cup of white chocolate chips. So here are our white chocolate chips. And we're going to take this bowl, put it back over here, and we are going to recipe says that the dough will be very soft, and then we're going to mix in the white chocolate chips. It already smells so good, guys. It smells so good. And now we're going to go ahead and fold in these white chocolate chips. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put the bowl into the freezer to let the dough chill for about 30 minutes to an hour. Once that's done, I'm going to pop them into the oven. It says we're going to be baking them for 10 minutes. It also says that the cookies may look very soft and underbaked. Keeping them in the oven for longer may dry them out. If you find that your cookies did not spread much at all, flatten them out when you take them out of the oven. So I'm guessing because we didn't use eggs or something, it's not going to spread much. So whenever I make my dough balls, I'm going to kind of flatten them out. That way they'll be flattened and round. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm going to go ahead and shut my camera off real quick for about 30 minutes to an hour so this can chill. And then I'll come back for whenever I'm putting it in the oven. Okay guys, so here is the final result. I'm gonna go ahead and let them cool, and then I'll come back with them plated. guys, and this is the final result. These are the cookies. I've already let my granny, my cousin, and my mom try them, and they absolutely love them. They are perfect, guys. Let's see. Perfect cookies. Okay guys, so final result. Literally, those are the best cookies I've ever had in my entire life. You can taste the pumpkin. Mom, they are the best cookies. Why is she trying to get in my vlog? I don't know. But you can taste the pumpkin, the sugar, the cinnamon. All of it just melts together so nicely and just makes the perfect cookie, especially for the fall time. And I'm sure with milk, oh my, I can't even imagine how good it's gonna taste. Now, since I have the gastric sleeve, I literally can do half a cookie or else I'll get like, it'll just be too much. But it's not too sweet, which is good. It is sweet, but not like overly sweet. I love the texture of the cookies. Guys, literally, you have to make these for your family members, like for Thanksgiving, for just a girls' movie night, whatever. These cookies are amazing. All right, guys, let me know if you try this cookie recipe down in the comment section. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description box. And again, instead of doing the ginger and the other spice they had, I just got pumpkin spice, and y'all, these literally taste like a pumpkin spice latte cookie. Amazing. You have to try these. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. Stay tuned for Vlogtober day number 11, which will be tomorrow, which is Monday. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember that God loves you and so do I, and that you're so beautiful the way that you are. And bye guys, love you.